defense during activated.
Hi, I'm Mahdy. Today I'm talking about esports gaming monitor. This is the monitor. This is MSI Optix G241V esports gaming monitor, which is 23.8 inch. It has IPS panel that helps you to optimize screen colors and brightness to exchange your viewing experience. It has 75 Hz high refresh rate, which respond faster with smoother frames. It has white color gamut. Game colors and others will look more realistic for it. It has also night vision option and frameless design, like borderless display. Specifications: display size 23.8 inch, display color 16.7 m, contrast 1000:1, brightness 250 typical, gross weight 5.3 kg, input DisplayPort and HDMI, response time 1 millisecond, resolution 1920:1080, viewing angle 178 degree, pixel pitch 0.2745:0.2745 millimeter, rating 20 volt 2.25 ampere. That's all. Now I am unboxing this monitor. So let's see. DC output, that is stand instrument, power cable, HDMI cable, this is quick installation guide and some screw. That's all. There is also a power cable. That is the stand. That is the stand lower part. This is the monitor. So let's see. Wow, nice. It is the monitor. Looking nice. Borderless display. It is stand. It is so easy to set up. Here is the stand. It's so nice. Finishing is really awesome. Just open, put it on the monitor. This is the lower part. It's metallic. Wow. Nice stem. Just put in on the main stand. That is the monitor. The borderless display. Actually, it is looking so gorgeous. MSI esports gaming IPS panel, 75 Hz high refresh rate, 1 millisecond fast response time, white color gamut, night vision, and many more features. That is the back side. It moves up and down. Finishing is really good. Actually, the stand is so heavy that is different from other monitor. It has one joystick for sitting setup. You can control your seating and customize it by this joystick. It has HDMI port and display port and one sound output. That's all.
Now I am playing games on this monitor. This is Conqueror's Blade. It's a strategy game. I like to play this game so much. Actually, Conqueror's Blade is a free-to-play, massively multiplayer online real-time tactics game. There are 5 types of match battles, like standard battles, territory wars, expeditions, events, and ranked battles. In standard battles, you can find training camp, and field battles where players need to capture flags and defeat enemies to reduce enemies' points, and siege battles where attackers must capture the final flag to win, and defenders must hold at least one flag at timeout. This is MSI gaming monitor. MSI means MicroStar International. Actually, MSI is a popular brand in worldwide. This is especially best for gaming products. The company has been a sponsor for a number of esports teams and is also the host of the international gaming events MSI Masters Gaming Arena. This is one kind of freezing IPS esports gaming monitor. The IPS panel helps to optimize screen colors and brightness to enhance your viewing experience. These Optix series MSI gaming monitors have more game mode coverage compared to general monitors. MSI Optix series gaming monitors offer several modes to choice. Gamers can choose the mode based on the type of gameplay to experience the best visual effects. Yeah, the color quality is well. The front side of this monitor is really awesome. This is 23.8-inch monitor. If you like to play online games, 23.8-inch monitor will be perfect for you. The response time of this monitor is 1 millisecond. That is really helpful for gaming performance. Yeah, the gaming performance is excellent. I feel awesome. Let's go to the outside to fight. It is truly incredible to ride a horse in this game. What a fantastic game it is. This game is going to feel like a war to me, exactly like a king is attacking and sieging an enemy. The IPS monitors from MSI are a better option if you are looking for wide viewing angles and excellent color reproduction. This type of monitor can produce more brightness, better contrast, and higher color accuracy. MSI provides a wide selection of monitors that are appropriate for professionals, content creators, and gamers. They are a good option for gamers because of their use of different display technologies, striking resolutions, fast refresh rates, and gaming specific features. In general, this monitor will really provide you a good image quality. For gamers who are looking for a simple and high performing gaming monitor, this will be a great option for them. MSI has done an amazing job of designing a display that meets the requirements of every gamer. Conqueror's Blade is an awesome game where you can lead your own army into battles. I can finally say with confidence that fans of Empire will enjoy this wonderful game. I hope you try it out, conquer the world, and have great victories. This is Counter-Strike 2. This is a popular game right now for lots of gamers. To be honest, nothing compares to the enjoyment that comes from playing Counter-Strike. What a lovely bird! Wow! I am watching a cool video on this monitor right now. The picture quality is outstanding. MSI monitors come in a range of prices to suit a variety of demands and budgets. Due to their competitive pricing, a wide range of users can afford their entry-level models. Finally, I would conclude that for a casual display, it is one of the best monitors in its price range. I truly liked this monitor. You may use this monitor. I express my thanks to all the people who have seen this video.
Automated defense grid activated.